This resume right here, this is why you are stuck at a service-based company with a 3.5 LPA package. It lists responsibilities, but it shows zero impact. And this resume? This is the exact format that gets shortlisted at Google, Amazon, and Cred. It turns a 3.5 LPA profile into a 24 LPA profile. Today, I'm going to fix this bad resume, step by step, using the Google XYZ formula, so you can stop getting rejected. First, let's look at the objective. Hardworking student looking for an opportunity. Recruiters hate this. It sounds desperate. Now look at the fixed version. Back-end engineer with 2 years of experience optimizing API latency. See the difference? The bad resume begs for a job. The good resume sells a skill. If you want a high salary, stop writing a summary and start writing a professional profile. Here is the biggest error I see in 90% of Indian resumes. Library management system created a system using Java. This tells me nothing. A college student can do this in 2 hours. We need to apply the Google formula, action plus metric plus result. We change it to architected a library system handling 5,000 concurrent requests, reducing search time by 40%. Now you look like an engineer who solves problems, not just someone who writes code. Finally, the skills section. Stop using progress bars or rating yourself 4 out of 5 stars in Java. The ATS cannot read graphics. Look at the template. It uses a clean linear list: Java, Python, AWS, Docker. This ensures the robot reads your keywords and ranks you higher. Simple formatting beats creative design every single time. I have done the hard work for you. I created this exact 24 LPA template with the Google formula built in. You don't need to write from scratch, just download it, fill in the blanks, and bypass the ATS. The link is in the description below. Download it now and start applying.